Guys, welcome to the midweek analysis of volatility indices. We have already done an analysis for Forex. If you haven't checked the video, kindly check the videos uploaded today and you can be able to see the weekly recap on the analysis we normally do early in the beginning of the week. So the midweek recap is for us to be able to see whether whatever we were projecting price is moving as per our expectation, or whether it's a miss or whether it's a brilliant hit. And for that purpose, currently and on this video, I'm going to concentrate on the midweek recap on volatility indices, and because of time, I will look at specifically three setups on this video. I'll analyze the whole market later into the week, specifically either on Sunday or Monday. But for this particular video, let's have a look at three specific assets. The first one is V101S, as you can see in the chart, and then V25 and the Boom 500. Guys, we have been on a very long extended bearish market on the V101S, and from what I can see in the market currently, it seems like we are exhausting the lower bearish momentum, and we're going to have an interim bullish momentum to at least retest the 2391.56 area. So this is my immediate target profit in the medium term before we either see a further bearish continuation or a consolidation and a further upside. So for now, I kindly urge you to look at V101S as a bullish setup, and being a daily candle, then basically this is a setup that can go for a couple of days, if not one or 2 weeks. This is a brilliant opportunity because it will give you a risk reward of more than 1 to 5, between 1 to 5 to 1 to 10. Stop losses should be below 1465 and the take profit at 2391.56. However, if you'd really like to know the exact precision timing for entry, in as much as I've said where your stop losses should be, kindly drop me a comment on the comment section or DM on our social media handles, and we can be able to take you through the same through our VIP portal, as well as a training guide through our Traders Lounge Academy to help you understand how to have precision in terms of your perfect entries and exits from the market. So that is my analysis on the V100. The next one that I want us to quickly look at is V25. V25, remember, from a weekly perspective, we still have this as a bullish setup, at least to retest, on a worst case, to retest the highs of 210. But what is happening in the interim? In the interim, we're having a price retracement, and if I go to the smaller time frames, I will be very keen to see whether this price will come down to this level, which there's a high probability. Should it come to this level of 1767, then this is a perfect entry. Again, you can re-enter the market on a bullish side, but your stop losses have to be extremely tight below 1754. Our immediate first target is 1862, out of which you can be able to see how price will behave before we get in on a higher or further bullish or bearish. So that is my target profit, 1863.045. On the bearish side, my stop losses should be below 1760. That's a perfect trade. You can place it as a buy limit, but in case it doesn't come here, then on the lower time frame, I'll be extremely careful to see how further it can retrace, because as you can see currently, it has retraced below the 61.8%. So if price consolidations fail to break to this level, then I'll keenly look into it, especially into the new day, and identify buy entries that can take us back to 1763.045. And then finally, we have the Boom 500. Boom 500, guys, we discussed about this trade, and as you can see, this has been, just a minute, this has been that's the trade I'm looking at. A buy setup, so wait for it. Don't jump into the market. I'd suggest to wait for it, see how the market closes. Let's have a pullback, and then early into tomorrow's day, trading day, we can jump in again on a continuous buy to take us to the 50% retracement of this move, which is at 4461.7. I'm looking at a similar setup like this, where you have 4 straight bullish days. So I am looking at something similar like that, where price will quickly go up to this level in a couple of days, if not a max of 1 week. So thank you guys. That was a trade recap for the day and for the week. I'll do a further analysis on the other pairs and other setups as we get into the end of the week, preferably on Sunday or Monday. Thank you guys. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button. If you haven't referred your friends and relatives and neighbors and uncles and aunties and brothers and chiefs and captains of industries, kindly drop them a share button. Let them join our fastest growing community of traders who want to make a difference in Africa through a trading lounge approach. Once again, Mike is my name. Thank you so much for watching this. See you next time, and good luck trading. Cheers.